Hello, beautiful viewers of Ebonyi People TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's super relevant to our culture: the abuse of the red cap in Igbo land. You know that iconic headgear that used to symbolize respect and prestige back in the day? Yeah, that one. But as times have changed, so has its meaning. So grab a seat and let's unpack this together. Once upon a time, the red cap was revered in Igbo culture. Only genuine titled chiefs and respected men wore this particular cap. It was a symbol of honor, a badge of achievement, you might say. But nowadays, it seems like everyone and their brother is rocking a red cap as a fashion statement. What is really going on? So why the sudden shifts, you might want to ask? Well, according to one Dr. Chiedozie Alex Ogbonaya from Ohaneze Igbo, the red cap represents not just an Igbo identity, but also a connection to our customs and traditions. But here is the kicker: the respect that once surrounded the cap is fading away very quickly. And this brings us to an important question: what does the red cap truly mean to you as an Igbo? Is it just a trendy accessory, or does it still hold the weight of our culture? Let's hear from you in the comments section. Now, let's talk about the young people. Many of them are fascinated by the idea of wearing the red cap during weddings, during burials, or any kind of festivals or occasion they might find themselves. But often, they don't really understand what it really represents. They buy them in the market and throw them on like a regular cap. But is that really honoring our culture? Interestingly, Nze Onyike, a traditional title holder, points out that the abuse of the red cap is largely fueled by the commercialization of chieftaincy titles. When titles are given out like candy to anyone with money, how can we expect the red cap to maintain its prestige? You know what they say: you cannot respect a cap when the person wearing it doesn't even respect themselves. Have you ever seen a traditional title holder acting in a way that makes you question their honor? It makes you wonder, what's the real value of the red cap today? Chief Chukwuemeka Ogugo, another community leader, emphasizes that the red cap was once exclusive to titled men, but now kids are wearing them and parents are buying them as fashion statements. Can you imagine? The cap has lost its cultural value, and let's be real, how many of us actually take a moment to educate our children about the significance of the red cap? Which brings us to our next point: the need for sensitization. Professor Madubuike Ezibe from the Igbo think tank believes that educating our youth is key to restoring the dignity of the red cap. He says we can't really place sanctions on people who wear it legally, but we can certainly talk about its cultural importance. So how do we begin this conversation in our communities? We need our traditional rulers and community leaders to step up. Imagine if they held community meetings to explain the significance of the red cap. What if we had events that celebrated our culture and reminded everyone of what the cap truly stands for? Wouldn't that be a great way to bridge the gap? So, what do you think? Should untitled individuals be recognized at ceremonies if they wear the red cap? Is it time to enforce some rules about who gets to wear it? Let's chat about this in the comments, and remember, restoring the red cap's dignity isn't just the job of a few, it's a community effort. In conclusion, the red cap is more than just a fashion statement. It's a piece of our heritage, the Igbo heritage, that deserves to be treated with respect. Let's work together to preserve its value and ensure that future generations understand its significance. Thanks for tuning into this important video on Ebonyi People TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep celebrating our rich culture, and until next time, stay proud and informed. See you in our next video.